We have 6 3-inch pumps running. We got to go another 75 feet straight, and then we got to make a turn. We're wrapping the log so when we pull the rope it'll spin. Well, the 12 foot by 440 feet is completely unrolled. There's 68 feet to the bulkhead, which isn't watertight, so we're not going to tie into it. We're going to tie into this gravel over here, that sand. So the tide's coming in, we're pumping water into her right now, and we've got the other dams to put in. Well, we're launching the 10-foot double closed-ended AquaDams. There we are, unrolling the dam by hand. It's floating, and we've got 4 people pulling on 2 different ropes, and that spins the dam. And what we want to do is pull the whole thing right next to the main dams so it fits like a glove. Okay, we've only been putting water in the outside one. This side's just floating here, but we want to hug it up to this dam. That's what the ropes are for. And then when we fill it up, it wants to push it off this big dam, and we want to give it a little resistance. The resistance are the ropes. Right on the dam, you can see the slack on the inside tube. You can't see the tube, but it's the inside of the AquaDam facing this dam. Here we are at the job site in San Francisco, on San Francisco Bay. This is high tide. These AquaDams have been here for at least 60 days, if not 90. But they're too small to make a Cofferdam, so we had to get a larger AquaDam, and which is on the truck. And we're going to put it right out through here. This is the work area. "16-foot high by 570-foot long AquaDam. We've got 8 6-inch pumps ready to go right down here. Big undertaking. Suction hoses out into the bay. The bank we're going to start off of. This machine is going to push right on the end of the log, and this machine is going to push on this end of the log at the same time, and the dam will simply roll off. That's how you load an AquaDam weighing about 30,000 pounds. we're using 7 6-inch pumps. One's a backup, so there'll be 3 in each side. If one goes down, then we've got a backup. We got to pull the hose in and over the edge by 2 to 3 feet. We got one more hose to put in this side. Had to set the end of this bag. It was a double closed-ended dam, so the water will drain out, so the big dam can go right over the top of it. So we cut about a 1-foot hole there right at the end of the dam. The roll is barely moving, but it's moving right according to plan. The rope's pulling it to keep the log straight, because this dam wants to push off this dam that I'm standing on. A little bit, there it goes.
All right.
We're hooking a rope to the end of the log, the core, so we can make this turn. We've got 4 6-inch pumps running now. Now that we've made our turn, we've did have just 2 pumps running on this side, no pumps running on this side, and now that we made the turn, we've turned the pumps back on so that each tube fills evenly. And we'll have to make up for less water in the one side after we get to the bank over there. But that's a later maneuver. Water's coming out, being displaced by this other dam going over the top of it. That's forcing the water out. Well, we made it to the bank. We've got 35 feet left on the roll. It was a 570-foot long AquaDam. Just pump time now. We got 6-inch pumps running. It's going to go fast. Of course, we got to be fast because the tide's going out. Boy, this one right here fits great. That'll help support this dam. They're going to set up a couple pumps to start dewatering the inside area. A lot of mud pushed up.